Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Try to the extent possible reduce the plastic bottles which are being used to dispense water. The whole idea is ultimately this plastic bottles leads to green gas emission and therefore are ultimately from a planet point of view very harmful in the long run. Idea is that Goa being a touristic place, we would be in a position to minimize the bottles, plastic bottles, and move on to green technology. And this is in fact an award-winning technology from Sweden that we are getting to Goa. So I'm sure that whether it is touristic activities, whether it is industrial activities, or whether it is in other stakeholders including urban development, it has applications everywhere. Idea is reduce plastic water bottles and move over to a clean and green Goa. Swachh Bharat, sir.
The partnership framework agreement between the Way Out International AB and the EP Biocomposting Limited, Mr. Rajkumar Kamat. Congratulations for both the Way Out International AB and EP Kamat Composting Limited. This is a good initiatives taken by both the organizations. Especially I am congratulating the EP Kamat group, which is an EP Biocomposting Limited. He is always working on the different initiatives for the environment friendly, for the eco-friendly. The bio-toilet initiative is also started by the Rajkumar Kamat, and again he has taken these initiatives for the plastic-free waters in the state of Goa. I think the government will fully support for this agreement, support for both the organization. In future, we are also working on the plastic-free Goa. Definitely it will help for the green Goa, clean Goa. And once again I am congratulating for both the organization for taking these initiatives and signing the agreement between both these organizations.